Hi, and welcome to week 7 of Quantitative Reasoning. This week in class, we're going to be finishing up Unit 2 and starting Unit 3. So on Monday, we'll have Practice 7C, an activity quiz, a little review for your assessment, and 2 preview assignments. I strongly encourage you guys to look at both of these review materials found under the Due By Next Class under Monday. On Wednesday, we will be doing your Unit 2 assessment. There are 2 options for this assessment that we will go through in just a minute. Please note that spring break is the 14th to the 18th, and there will be no classes that week. Taking a look at your Unit 2 assessment alternative. So what that means is you can either take an exam or we have an alternative project that you have available to you. So as I mentioned, we have 2 different options. You can take your Unit 2 assessment, which is just like the Unit 1 exam, where you'll sign on, you can have your notes or your little reference sheet, and you'll open your exam and then turn in your work afterwards. Or we do have another option. The Unit 2 alternative assessment will be a project that expands upon your Unit 2 mini project. So you'll do a brief introduction, a 2 to 3 sentence summary of your results for the Unit 2 mini project. You'll then use everything you learned in Unit 4 on probability to expand upon your project, and you'll answer these 4 questions down here. And then we'll also use our Lesson 7 to satisfy these requirements 5 through 7. So if you're interested in doing the Unit 2 alternative assessment, I am going to recommend that you start this before our assessment date on Wednesday, as it will be due at the same time as the exam. There are printable directions above here. And then under how do I know if I'm on the right track, we have your rubric and the Unit 2 test alternative directions as well. So I would recommend printing these out and checking things off as you go if you decide to do the alternative assessment. Again, 2 options, you only need to pick one. You'll either test in class on Wednesday, or you're going to be finishing up and turning in your extended project. One quick thing I do want to note is I did change my student hours. So I changed my student hours from Friday. Here we go. I moved my Friday student hours to Monday. I am still available via appointment on Friday, but I will have those scheduled times Mondays from 10 to noon, and then the rest of the week there is no change. So I look forward to seeing you guys in class on Monday. Please start studying for your exam, and if you have any questions, please reach out.